In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Snap Layouts in Windows 11. Snap Layouts are a built-in feature that help you quickly organize multiple windows on your screen without having to manually resize everything. They're perfect if you like to multitask, compare documents, watch a video while working, or just keep your desktop looking neat and efficient. To get started, make sure you have at least 2 apps or windows open. These could be a browser, a folder, a document, or anything else you use. The key idea is that Snap Layouts let you place them side by side, in a grid, or in other preset arrangements. Now, move your mouse to the top right corner of any window and hover over the Maximize button. Don't click yet. Just hold your mouse pointer over it for a moment. You'll see a small menu appear, showing several different layout options. Depending on your screen size, you might see layouts for 2, 3, or 4 sections, with different proportions. Take a moment to look at these options. For example, one layout might split your screen into 2 equal halves. Another might give you 1 large window on the left and 2 smaller stacked windows on the right. Choose the layout that best matches how you want to work. Next, click on the section of the layout where you want this current window to go. As soon as you do, Windows will snap that window into place. On the other side of the screen, you'll see thumbnails of your other open apps. Click on one of those to fill the next section. If your layout has more than 2 sections, Windows will keep prompting you to choose apps until every slot is filled. If you prefer using the keyboard, you can also snap windows by holding the Windows key and pressing the arrow keys. For example, Windows plus the left arrow will snap a window to the left side, and Windows plus the right arrow snaps it to the right. From there, you can move it to corners and build your layout manually. Once everything is snapped into place, you can adjust the size of each window by dragging the divider between them. All the windows in the layout will resize together, keeping the structure while giving more space to the app you care about most. If you ever want to go back to a single window, just maximize it again, and it will temporarily take over the screen without losing your layout settings in the background. That's all you need to start using Snap Layouts in Windows 11. With a little practice, you'll be able to arrange your workspace in seconds and stay much more organized while you work.